KEN172. It's a little late to be buying a Christmas tree, isn't it? Okay. Promo man, thank you. Yeah, you're on it. Okay. Prius had to stop. You wanna go? Thank you. Fuck you, dude. You gotta stop. It's a red light. You gotta fucking stop. Fuck you and your little red roller skate mobile, alright? Thank you. Left turn, right lane. You would. Don't you know? Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you know what you're doing? Apparently not. I ain't got all time to wait for a fucking bridge. Wow. Oh, sat through the green arrow. Is she jumping the queue? No, okay. She sat through the green arrow. No, okay. Yellow, red. It's gonna red. Stop. Thank you. Stop! Shit. What the fudge? What the fudge? What the fudge? Why we stopped? Stop playing with your hair, honey. It's not helping. Straight from the turn lane. Straight from the turn lane. Straight from the turn lane. You just cut him off. Is this next time? Yeah, it's next time. Stop sign, shut off your high beams, you turd. Are you gonna stop? Because I'm stopping. I don't think you're gonna stop. Go! Thank you. Make up your mind. Nimrod in a Toyota! Trying to be nice to people. They're just dumb! Dumb, 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 dumb! The hell are you doing? Guess who's gonna block the intersection? No, it's still green, but let's see. Hold on. Yeah, it's yellow. It's red. You assholes. Let's There's another way around it. Yeah, there it is. No turn on red. Camroid. 7-day fool. Can I have a green arrow, please, so I can turn right? Oh! Hey, look at this douchebag. Look at that. Using the gas station to fucking jump the red light. Fucking Nissan drivers for you, huh? 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 The warm weather brings out the douchebags on bikes. And is this what I think? It's the next guy. I don't know why you did that, but it was pretty pointless, wasn't it? Yeah, it was pretty pointless. What was that for? Exit dive! Stop for stop sign, stop for stop sign, stop for stop sign, stop for stop sign. You Toyota turd. You didn't stop either. I'm not shocked. Oh, dude. Bit sudden there. Keep the blinker on all day? Oh, he was about. No, you're not supposed to be in this lane. No one, exit diving, Camroid! Why are you what the fuck? What? Get off the road, Grandpa! Oh, Jesus Christ! A2L 510. Jesus Christ, what the fuck is going on tonight? I had my blinker on. I had my friggin' blinker on. I wonder if he was drunk.